Hi, everyone. All right, welcome to our next lesson involving marketing strategies. Now, in this lesson under marketing strategies, we are going to be talking about marketing plans specifically. So the objective is basically to explain the key components of a successful marketing plan. So let's get right into it. So, marketing has an impact on other areas. And as one of the four major parts or functional areas of a business, marketing plays a vital role in each of the other areas because it helps to identify customer needs and preferences, develop products and services to meet those needs, promote and communicate the value of the offerings, and ensure the successful distribution and customer satisfaction. So what are the components of a successful marketing plan? Now, when you're developing a marketing plan, this is a vital step for businesses to strategically achieve their marketing goals. And it involves analyzing the market, identifying target audiences, setting clear objectives, outlining actionable strategies to effectively promote products and services. Now, a well-developed marketing plan serves as a roadmap, provides a structured approach to guide decision-making, allocate resources, and maximize the effectiveness of the marketing efforts. So let's look at the things that are involved in those components in a successful marketing plan. We're going to start with clear objectives. We've got to define what your advertising objectives are. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. Now, some examples of objectives could be increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. So here's an example of a SMART clear objectives. Increase brand awareness for company XYZ by achieving a 20% increase in website traffic and social media engagement within the next 6 months through an integrated advertising campaign. Notice how all of those things are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They are SMART. All right, next let's look at your target audience. You got to identify what your target audience or your customer segments are. You need to understand their demographics, their psychographics, their behaviors, their preferences, and their needs. And customize your promotional messages and select the most efficient platforms to engage with your target audience. You gotta, next is competitive analysis. This is where you conduct a thorough analysis of your competitors' advertising strategies. Identify their strengths, their weaknesses, their positioning, their message, and their target audience. This will all help you to differentiate your brand and create an effective value proposition. Speaking of which, your unique selling proposition or USP. You've got to determine what your brand's USP is. This is your value proposition statement. This is the key differentiator that sets your product or service apart from your competitors. And your advertising messages should highlight this unique aspect to attract and persuade customers. Next is what is your message and your creative strategy. You've got to develop a compelling advertising message that resonates with your target audience and aligns with your objectives. Also create a strong creative strategy that includes visuals, copy, tone, and overall design to effectively communicate your message. You got to choose your advertising channels. You got to select the appropriate ones to reach your target audience. You might consider a mix of traditional, such as print, TV, or radio, and digital channels, social media, search engine marketing, and online ads. Each channel should be chosen based on its reach, its cost effectiveness, and its ability to engage your target audience. Next, as part of your marketing plan is media planning and buying. When you develop a media plan, developing a media plan that outlines the timing, the frequency, and the allocation of your advertising across the different channels. And consider factors such as your budget, your reach, your targeting capabilities, and seasonality. And you might negotiate media buying to maximize the value of your advertising investments. Next, of course, is your budget allocation. Regularly monitor and adjust your budget based on the performance of the different campaigns, and allocate your advertising budget strategically across channels and campaigns. And then, of course, consider the costs of production, the media placement, the creative development, and the ongoing optimization. And finally, tracking and analytics. You want to implement a tracking and analytics system to measure the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. Use key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as impressions, click-through rates, conversion rates, return on investment, or ROI. And all of this is done to evaluate the success of your campaigns and make your data-driven decisions. All right, so that is our lesson on marketing strategies, focusing primarily on the elements or the components of a marketing plan.